Hello, everyone. Good evening. I am your friend Jenny, sister and neighbor here in Canada, specifically here in Vancouver, British Columbia. And today I want to inform you about a very specific and exciting moment of my life. What is this? This is because tomorrow we will get vaccine. Our employer and the nurse from the health authority will provide the first dose of a vaccine. Either Pfizer or Moderna will do for us. So it's really an exciting moment for all of us when we receive the call from the receptionist of the company. It was like I was outside doing my own thing, wearing my mask, and I was really honestly I was in my class. Because I'm also a student. So when I received that call, I was like jumping inside. I was like, yay, I am so happy. I feel an inner joy today. There's a fulfillment of something, an accomplishment of something that I was able to acquire. So it is like a very nice information that they will provide the first dose of a vaccine for us. So either way, it will be tomorrow and it will be given to us at around 12:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon. So I will make sure that I will vlog everything in order for you and I to know and understand more of the vaccine. What's the benefit of the vaccine? I will read it for you right now or later on, and what will be the effect of that vaccine to me personally. So make way for the vaccine! Yay! So if you're excited, I am more excited, and we will be all have or return to a more normal and balanced life, because as we all know, vaccine will protect us from COVID-19, 95% of it. And then at the same time, we are also protecting our neighbor, the strangers, the friends, the co-workers, our clients, our co-workers, and me, I am gonna protect the seniors that I am dealing with and all those people around me, and specifically my family, by the way. Don't forget that you are also protecting your family when you have the vaccine. So let's do this together, and tomorrow I'll really make sure that I will vlog everything about this thing. So thank you, everyone. And before I forget, I want to inform you about the mRNA vaccine. So here we go. This is this is what I got, a copy of from CDC, British Columbia Center for Disease Control. So COVID-19 mRNA vaccines. So I will read it for you, right? What are the COVID-19 mRNA vaccines? The COVID-19 mRNA vaccines protects against infection from the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19. The vaccines causes your body to produce antibodies that will protect you from getting sick if exposed to the virus. And Health Canada approved the vaccines. Okay, next, who should get the vaccines? The vaccines are provided to those who are at increased risk of exposure to the virus, like me, because I am working in the healthcare field, and those most at risk of serious complications, those who have pre-existing health conditions. The vaccines will only be available for certain groups of people at first due to limited supply of the vaccines. As the vaccine supply increases, other groups of people will be able to get the vaccine. Okay? For more information on when a vaccine will be available for you, visit the BCCDC's COVID-19 vaccine eligibility page at this link. Okay, I will put the link. So, how are the vaccines given? The vaccine will be given by injection as 2 doses. It is important to get both doses of the vaccine for full protection. Speak with your immunization provider about when you should get the vaccine, the second dose. It is also important of all immunization received. Be sure to bring your immunization record when returning for your second dose. Okay. So, what should I do after I get the vaccine? After you get the vaccine, continue to follow public health recommendations such as wash hands or use the hand sanitizer. Still, physical distance and wear mask when required. So still, even though you have the first dose of the vaccine or the second dose of the vaccine, you still have to complete the normal way of being safe. One is to wash your hands or use sanitizer. Still have a physical distance from other people, because not all are still covered by this vaccine, and wear still a mask. So, right. You should not receive any other vaccines until 28 days have passed after you receive the second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. So, me, tomorrow I will be getting the first dose, then after 2 weeks I will be getting the second dose. Then I have to wait for 28 days or a month, almost a month, in order for me to get another injection or whatever. Okay? What are the benefits of the vaccines? The vaccine are the best way to protect you against COVID-19, which is a serious and sometimes fatal disease. In clinical trials, those who received the vaccines were about 95% less likely to become sick with COVID-19. When you get immunized, you help protect others as well, including those who are unable to get the vaccine. Okay. This is it. I know you're asking for this. What are the possible reactions after the vaccines? What are the possible thing that will happen after you get the dose of the vaccine? Vaccines are safe, just like the flu shot or any other shot. It is not alcohol, okay? It is much safer to get the vaccine than to get COVID-19. True, the vaccines are not live virus and cannot give you COVID-19. Common reactions to the vaccine may include soreness, redness, swelling where the vaccine was given. If it's here, it will swell or sore for 1 to 2 days, I think. Oh, yeah. These reactions are mild and generally last for 1 to 2 days. If you have concerns about any symptoms you develop after receiving the first vaccine, speak with your healthcare provider, your family doctor, or call 911 as emergency. Right. Or call 811 for advice. Anyway, furthermore, serious side effects of the vaccine were not seen in the clinical trials. The people who received the vaccines in trial continue to be followed for any long-term side effects from the vaccines. So, we have to let them Hello everyone again. To continue, we should also inform our healthcare provider of the long-term effects because they are the one collecting the data. If we don't inform them, if we don't inform our family physicians or healthcare provider, they will not know that there is a side effects in the longer term. So in order for them to know this, we have to inform them, right? Next. Okay. When you are in a clinic where the vaccine will be given, you have to stay there for 15 minutes because about 1 in a million can get a life-threatening allergic reaction called anaphylaxis. This may include hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of the throat, and tongue or lips. Should this reaction occur, your healthcare provider is prepared to treat it. Emergency treatment includes administration of epinephrine, adrenaline, and transfer by ambulance to the nearest emergency department. If symptoms develop after you leave the clinic, call 911 or the local emergency number. Okay. Always report serious or unexpected reaction to your healthcare provider. Who should not get the vaccine? Who should not get the vaccine? Okay. 1, if you have a serious allergy to polyethylene glycol or called PEG. PEG can be found in cosmetics, skincare products, laxative, cough syrups, and bowel preparation for colonoscopy. Yeah, that's PEG. Also, have a life-threatening reaction to a previous dose of the COVID vaccine or to any part of the vaccine. So if you have, example, you will be given the second dose, and if you have a reaction for the first dose, you will not be given the second dose. Okay. Number 3, have an immune system weakened by the disease or medical treatment. So if you have a pre-existing condition already and you know that your immune system is weak, you should not get this vaccine. Number 4, you have an autoimmune disease. You are not allowed to get any of this. Pregnant. If you're pregnant, maybe pregnant or planning to get pregnant, don't get COVID-19 vaccine. Number 3, if you're a mother and you're still breastfeeding, don't get the vaccine. And number 7, have received a monoclonal antibody or convalescent plasma for treatment or prevention of COVID-19. So those who have COVID-19 already, they will not get the vaccine. For now, have received a vaccine in the last 14 days. Okay. Okay, so you're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to have a vaccine for COVID-19. Have symptoms of COVID-19. So if you have symptoms on that day of the day of when are you going to get the job, the first job, JAB. Am I correct? Yeah, JAB. JAB, the first dose of injection. Okay. You don't get it. You will not get the COVID-19 vaccine. Okay. And if you have new illness preventing you from regular activities, you should likely wait until you have recovered. So if you have, anything that prevent you from doing regular things, please don't get the vaccine first and wait until 14 days. Okay. I know that these informations come from BC Center for Disease Control, Provincial Health Service Authority, and a research and teaching center affiliated with University of British Columbia. So these are all facts that I was able to inform you. So here I am, excited for tomorrow, and I feel joyful right now, and I'm hoping that everything will work out between me and the nurse and all my colleagues at work and all the seniors that we are working with. So I am really excited. Thank you, everyone, and hoping that I will give you and provide you all the necessary information tomorrow after I get the vaccine. See you.